Hello and welcome to another session from Learn Digital Academy. In this one, we are going to learn after that we have targeted the audience to whom our advertisement is supposed to go to, how do we design the ad and the bidding part, which is very important. So I have selected a single image ad. Now the budget, which is pretty much similar to what we have in Facebook, the lifetime budget as well as the daily budget. The LinkedIn advertisements are quite costly. You require to have a good amount of budget. Now, the bidding strategy over here is quite different. First option that the LinkedIn gives you is about the automated one, in which LinkedIn will try to reach out to the most possible people given by the budget that we have, and yes, it will decide the cost based upon the impressions, deliver ads to member for the most impressions possible. The target cost, in which we get to decide that every time, according to the 1000 impressions which LinkedIn will give, how much should we get charged. Now, if there is no report from the history of the organization, if you have not done any advertisements in the past, how are you going to decide that? LinkedIn helps you out in the very same section here. It will tell you that the similar advertisers are spending between this and this amount. Now you can choose any amount between this. Have a look at the total number of impressions which are going to happen at this particular rate. What if I decrease this amount? The impressions change. The manual bidding. Control your bids in the auction type.